Immediate elder sister here, I follow her. That one is Wambui Wanjoroge. Wambui Wanjoroge, Njoroge ni mimi. Njoroge si baba yake, Njoroge ni bwana yake. Na ndiye mimi. Haya, huyo anaitwa Evita Watia. Wajiro Wajogu. She's a relative and a neighbor just here. When we tell Nikana to with Aladia. Mudoni is also a friend of this home. Jerry Wamwagi. She's a friend to Mama Caro. Luma. You know to wait a
her name is Kate. She's my big sister, man. Of a friend. Yeah.
Okay. That is Chiko Wajega. She's also our niece. Wanjiko, her father is my elder brother. Okay, that is Grace. Grace is the daughter of Jenga Moya. That is Jackie.
I don't think they can be seen from here.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
On a head, book in the Mukin again. You hate it. This one, Menda mbali sana. Kama hii kadi yako nene. Kuliko. Nonsizi. Wangebe. A TV presenter. Grace. Daughter to Njengamoya. Waroinge. Brother to Wanjiko, and his father is my brother, my elder brother. Jackie, daughter to Jengamoya. Chiko, my daughter. Chikoge, Wajikoge. She's my sister's daughter, and another Wanjiko still her daughter. And Jambi is she calls a friend and also our friend. We are quite a large family. We are not even half of us. The others are all over. So I'll hand over to Peter so that he can introduce our visitors. Peter. Etero.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Marvin.
Yes, sir.
You have your brother here. Shege? Mention your names as we go.
My name is Kamau. Friend of Karis.
Shege? Friend of Karis. I'm Peter. Melvin's friend. Wangia. Wake up and say hi.
Good evening, everyone. My name is James Mangi, and I'm not new to this place.
Varian, welcome, Marvin. Welcome
Thank
to
you,
Kenya.
sir. Thank
This is
you.
home for you.
Thank you. It's our
I'm Martin, and nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Mariano Nyote. Mimi naitwa Gichohi, Joseph Gichohi. Ni dadi wa hawa.
Jambo, mimi naitwa Elias Koge, rafiki ya hawa pia.
I think I'm done. you deal with Melvin.
Okay. All right.
Time of the day or of the night. We've been through it all in the trenches, and now here we are looking like we are
Figuring it out.
yeah, figuring it out, yes. So welcome home. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. We've had so much I've heard much about you, Melvin, and it's a pleasure to meet you. And karibuni sana to this home, and in Kiambu County generally. This is Kiambu County, yeah, the heart of Kiambu County. Yes, welcome.
I'm a very good soul. So thank you very much, Nonsizi, for speaking on her behalf. Now, share with you. This is a cow's horn. It's the one that we use to take our traditional brew. Our traditional brew is called Muratina. And Muratina is made with water, with sugarcane juice, with honey, and with a sausage fruit. You know the sausage fruit, when it ripens, it falls to the ground, so you collect it from the ground, cut it into half, remove all the seeds, and then prepare it so that you will be preparing the brew with it. And this is what takes that brew, especially with men and women who are, who have reached a certain level. Let me get up to there. Who have reached a certain level. So I'll ask my friend here to pour the brew into this, and you watch how it's done. Na kio rio tare utoyo ria itagwo na ke erorere tondu no koni ugaitirwo na no koni igaitwo gwa riu agitwo gwa kunyumba ndibara ndikana kigie kugene mwaitiriria mugeka wakwa njohi kandi mwaitiriria cietagwo thairo ciakwa njohi. Okay, so this is how it's done. And when it's being poured, no man should have a hat on his head. And no man should cross her legs. Okay? And no man should be holding a baby. Yeah? Yeah? Arume gwikara uguo ni kunyita mwana. Yeah? Ni kuongithia mwana. O ni kuri angi nao maikara uguo kuu ni gukua mwana. So let's see how it's done. And when it's being poured, no other person should be standing up. Everybody should be seated down. Okay. What did you notice?
Poured and some
poured. It's poured.
And some of it went into the ground, into the earth. That is what we call libation in the African traditional religion. Even when our mothers used to serve us food, they could pour some food around secretly. Wengine wetu hata hatukujua vile mama zetu wanafanya. Agĩgwĩkĩra irio ũkona nĩ hĩngĩcithia nĩ gonyokithia guoko tũirio tũngĩ nĩ twaitĩka hau thĩ no ũgeciria no mũtino wagĩa. But that is part of the African traditional religion. We call it libation. We also serve our ancestors, the owners of the soil on which we are standing, on which we live, those ones who slept. Nacio nĩo twĩtaga ngomi. Na nĩ athũngũ mokire magĩta ngoma. Gĩkũyũ gũtirĩ ngoma. Nĩgũndĩraga Marvin hwaĩ. Thĩinĩ wa Gĩkũyũ gũtirĩ kĩndũ ta shaitani. Shaitani. It was never there in the Kikuyu language. It was never there. muthungu no wokire akiambĩrĩria kũrehe caitani agĩcenjia ũhoro wa ngoma akĩrehe ngoma nĩ mũndũ ũrĩa wakoma o ica ikuhĩ no ngomi nĩ arĩa matũrĩte makomete gũkũ rĩu andũ aigua andũ makiuga ngoma rĩ makiuga one ũguo nĩguo kũhũthĩra nĩ ngoma rĩu icio nĩ ngoma rĩu maũndũ macio mũreka rĩ nĩ ma ngoma ya ona andũ arĩa mambĩrĩirie ku translate ona ibuku rĩa kĩrĩkanĩro makinya gu translate ũhoro wa irie tarĩ ihoya rĩa mwathani ukinya andũ koiga atĩa agĩikũrũka kwa ngoma muthenya wa gatatu no actually arĩa mari translate rĩa mbere moigire agĩikũrũka kwa ngoma no ti kwa ngoma agĩikũrũka kwa ngoma yeah agĩikũrũka kwa ngoma. Okay, I'm talking about the way the white man came and corrupted the whole concept of those who are sleeping, and he made us believe that those are the devils. So when we do our libation, they said we are doing it to the devil, to Satan, which was very a very corrupted way of thinking. So that is how it is done. Now let us see how a man takes his beer. Okay, sawa. So, what do you think he has done?
Oh my God.
What he has done is, before you drink this, because it is not just drinking to get drunk. You first of all, it is used to bless the children, to bless the land, to bless the livestock, to bless the whole nation. So before you bless even your children or anybody, you must bless yourself first. So that you bless yourself first, so that you have that blessing which you are going to give to others. So that is why you spit on your chest and your both hands. Yeah. So that now both of your hands can have the strength to work and generate more for your children.
Makes sense.
So anytime a man of a certain level, that level, he has to do that. And if he doesn't do that, a man like him will just go and pick the whole brew, put it here, and he will go home with that which he's drinking. And that is it.
Question.
Yes, sir.
Do you do it once or all the time you're doing it?
All the time. All the time.
All the time you're serving, you must?
Yes, all the time. And especially now, when I give it to you,
Yes.
you have to do that.
Fast.
Yeah. Then you actually
But we still bring it to the hands. So what will he be left with?
A very good question. A very good question. In Kikuyu, tumetaka dadini. Dadini. Oh, dadini ni awe kate. Ni akuradini. Na kuradima le. Kuradima le wito ni kuwa goita johi. Ona geita mutungi uyu thire. He muthuri murata witu na muthuri uyu na Ngai aromuhonia ni murwaru haria wa guthu. Ni muthuri mukuru muno tumwitaga baba. When you are with that old man in his house, in his home, he can pour half of this because he'll come. Then he go to the corner of the home. Unakuwa huko.
I'm watching out.
So you So what he did at first was just for that libation part. But now the actual pouring is now the prayers. Actually, he's saying something. He's saying something in his heart. There's something he's saying. Maybe may God protect us. Whatever he feels, he needs to tell God to do. Yeah, that is what we call now iradimo. Na todo no ne dadimo. Kejekere nani ege. Niyo mitire yote kwata. Wata mudu wetoria. You know, this is the second time he did not let it fall. Because he has done it already. Already.
Yeah.
So mine will be just to and you make sure you do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, and 3. Then you can sit down and drink. Okay. If you look at this, you'll see there's a big one. Yes, a very small one. And this one is a goat. It's not even a cow. These 2 are goats. This one is not even ready. Now these are supposed to be to drink with the very rich, or the owner of the home where we are drinking.
Wow.
Reason being, when you drink this brew, you get drunk. And my idea of getting drunk is not his idea of getting drunk. I said to us. There are people who drink and they misbehave. So if I'm the owner of the home, I have to make sure that everybody drinks, but I keep my sanity. I keep my faculties working properly so that I can be able to see what is happening, who is misbehaving, who is drunk now and need to go home. I escort him. But suppose now I start drinking with this, then I get totally drunk that I'm the most drunk person in this home. And it's my home.
You are the host.
I'm the host. So it doesn't make any sense. So this is your dahi.
Wow. The people is rich.
Dahi. Na dahi nyuaga na thuri itonga. Na thuri aria ene mucie. Na aria ene igongona. Nigetha
No one in your blackness. Made it done, no some melanin. Worth more than diamond and gold. Melanin can't be bought or sold. You heard? That's my word. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like cherubim. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like cherubim. I'm a real black gold, genuine soul.